Hey, wanted to let you know that there are still some seats left for the video marketing workshop that we're going to do in Bangor on October 8th. And a quick nugget that came up in today's conversation that I wanted to share in case you hadn't thought about it, but it may be of interest to you. And that is, can video help in trying to fill job openings and trying to attract quality employees? The answer is yes. We've worked with a few folks with some strategies around video to help tell stories and to improve the quality of the folks that apply. But I know that job openings, finding employees, both quantity and quality, has been a problem for businesses big and small across all industries. So if that is a problem that you are facing, number one, you already know this most likely, you're not alone. But number two, we are going to talk about some ways in which video has been used in recruiting and connecting with potential employees with success. So I'll share some stories in the room, share some best practices, and others can share what they've been doing as well. But if that is on your radar as a problem that you are looking to perhaps find a solution for, be great to have you in the room so we can talk about it and see if it works for you. So October 8th, video marketing workshop here in Bangor. Registration and more information available in this post. And hopefully maybe I'll see you there.